Hey guys, it's Ali and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be talking about collagen and of course, magkakaroon tayo ng review as I promised last time of the Bello Collagen Powder Drink. Pero disclaimer, hindi po ako expert, okay? I am also like you, I am just a consumer sharing my thoughts with you guys. So this video will have a little crash course about collagen na based lang din sa mga na-research ko online before we have the review. But if you're here for just the review, then please skip to this timestamp right here. Ano nga ba yung collagen? So basically guys, yung collagen daw ay isang type of protein na makikita sa connective tissues ng mga katawan natin. Meaning nito, hinuhold together niya or mini-maintain niya yung mga muscles natin, yung ligaments, yung joints, kasama na dito yung skin. Pati na din yung nails, yung buhok natin, at basically daw, pati yung iba't ibang organ sa katawan. Meaning, yung collagen, it's not just for beauty or for looks, it's actually very important sa buong katawan talaga natin. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, di ba lagi natin kinoconnect yung collagen sa beauty. Now, the reason is because collagen helps our skin stay firm and strong. Ibig sabihin, ang laking factor talaga ng collagen sa pagkakaroon natin ng wrinkles. Now, the thing is, guys, alam nyo na yan. Now, the thing is, guys, naturally talaga nagpo-produce ng collagen yung katawan natin. It's just nagde-decrease yung collagen production na to as we age. Depende sa source mo kung kailan nagsisimula to. May mga nagsasabing 30 years old, meron ding mga 25, meron ding mga 20 years old. Kasi daw, connected yung collagen production natin sa increase or decrease ng growth hormone sa katawan natin. Siyempre, growth hormone, meaning habang tumatanda tayo, nagdi-decrease talaga to. So, dito na pumapasok yung mga products natin na may collagen. Diba meron tayong mga skincare products like moisturizers claiming na meron silang collagen in them. And of course, meron tayong collagen supplements as well as yung i-review natin ngayon which is yung powdered collagen. Pero guys, marami talagang kino-question yung skincare products na may collagen or yung mga pinapahid natin sa katawan natin na supposedly makakatulong daw sa collagen production kasi yung structure daw mismo ng collagen itself is a bit too big na hindi niya kayang mag-penetrate talaga sa skin barrier natin. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit sinasabi ng mga tao na okay talaga na ini-intake mo or ini-inject mo yung collagen. Kasi sure ka na 100% pumapasok talaga sa sistema mo or sa katawan mo. And we have to take note na lahat ng collagen na ini-intake ay sourced from animals. So, kung vegan ka, yun lang. Karamihan daw ng mga collagen supplements ay may either bovine or marine collagen. Bovine. Hindi ko alam paano pronounce pero basta yung dalawang yun. Now, yung bovine collagen is taken from cows. While marine, of course, they're taken from fish. Pero the interesting thing is, sabi nila yung marine collagen daw mas easily na-absorb ng katawan natin. But the most important thing to remember guys, walay lang din yung pag-i-intake mo ng collagen if you don't have a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle. Actually guys, may mga sources talagang nagsasabi na eating healthy and having a healthy lifestyle are enough para makaroon ka ng collagen production na kailangan ng katawan mo. Now, bakit? Kasi syempre, kung kakain ka ng mga protein-rich foods like chicken or fruits and vegetables, mga ganyan, magkakaroon ng enough protein yung katawan mo at may building blocks na in order to create collagen. Yung three main factors talaga kasi na nakikita ko na pareho sa mga sources na nakaka-decrease talaga daw ng collagen production ay yung sun exposure or UV rays, meron ding smoking, and yun, poor diet. So, bakit pa nga ba may mga collagen supplements in the first place kung kaya naman daw ng healthy diet at healthy lifestyle? Siyempre, there's no harm naman in trying to help ourselves produce more collagen. Kaya nga tinatawag silang collagen supplement. The only thing is, guys. Masakit talaga sa bulsa yung mga collagen supplements. And with that, proceed na tayo sa Bello Collagen Powder Drink Review.
Are much stronger ngayon. Madali lang kasi silang masira itong nails ko na to. But yeah. Ito ako nakapag-hugas ng mukha, sis.
Finally, on our last day of trying collagen, pero I might just continue this review for 2 weeks. Guys, natapon ko yung witag. Sis, 100 pesos din yun!
And by the way guys, ito palang silang soft, nourished, and hydrated. Please be aware that this recipe contains
Patapos na tayo sa 2 weeks. May difference ba? Gumaganda ba ako? Nag-brighten off naman yung mukha ko. Hindi pa lang. Ako lang ba? Placebo effect. Charot. Ay, last day! So this is the Bello Collagen Melon Smoothie na in-order ko sa Beauty Manila. So I got this box with 7 sachets for 700 pesos. Yung normal price kasi ng 7 sachets nito is 980 kasi sinasabi niya ditong save 280 pesos. Tapos meron din silang of course yung box of 10 na 1,400. Kaya, syempre, di ko alam kung nakita niyo yung haul ko, pero na-explain ko na doon, kaya kumuha ko ng dalawa. Kasi makaka-save ka ng 560 pesos. Or magkakaroon ka ng extra 4 sachets if you base it doon sa 1,400 na price for 10 sachets. So, makikita mo sa box ay directions, yung caution, how to store it, pati yung ingredients. Kita naman dito, meron ding nutritional facts. So, that's really good. Directions, you have to take 1 sachet per day with or without a meal. And if you're taking 2 sachets per day, it's best to take 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Just empty content of sachet and dilute in 250 ml of cold water. But what I did was, dinilute ko siya with a small amount of warm water and then dinagdagan ko siya ng milk. I used yung Nestle milk because it's what we have here at home. And then, minsan nilalagay ko siya sa freezer for a while para lumamig siya kasi feeling ko mas masarap siyang ganon. Well, it's what I prefer. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mo warm or cold. But it works both ways. Tapos yung caution dito is for adults use only. Not intended for children, pregnant women, or lactating women. So, if you're pregnant, guys, please don't drink this. So, since sa Beauty Manila ako bumili, dun ko i-base yung claim to fame or yung promise nitong product na to, which is a food supplement that helps enhance skin for a more youthful look. It's infused with high absorption collagen. Advanced anti-aging formula helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles, aids in restoring skin elasticity and suppleness. And sabi dito, it's perfect for improving the look of your complexion. So, una ko talagang napansin dito sa Bello Collagen Smoothie is yung melon taste niya. Totoo talaga, it's really good. It tastes like a melon smoothie daw. It's a melon smoothie flavor. Pero, masarap siya guys, promise. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung side effects, well, sa first day, wala namang side effects na nangyari. Pero sa second day, nagkaroon ako ng diarrhea. May mga nakita din akong YouTubers na nagsabi na nagka-diarrhea din daw sila after drinking this. Pero yeah, same, ganun din yung naranasan ko. Hindi ko alam guys kung placebo effect, pero in my opinion naman, I feel like nag-glow naman talaga yung skin ko. And I used it for 2 weeks instead of 1 week kasi may nakita akong parang PubMat ni Dr. Vicky Bello na sinasabing you will see results in 2 weeks. So that's what I did. Here's a before and after photo of me. Look, I tried my best, guys, na same yung lighting and same yung time. Pero feeling ko mas maaga akong gumising doon sa before photo ko kaysa sa second. But yeah, both days naman sunny, so okay naman yung lighting ng time na yun. And sa nakikita ko, sana nakikita nyo rin, may difference talaga. Now, in terms of fine lines and wrinkles, I can say na siguro ito lang naman, mga smile, ganyan, yun dito. Smile lines ko lang naman yung meron ako ngayon since, yes, I'm still 22 years old. Pero feeling ko nag-lessen siya. To me, I feel like nag-lessen naman talaga yung smile lines ko sa eyes. And kayo na lang din mag-judge kung mas naging youthful ba yung pagmukha ko as each day passed by. Okay, so sa pros and cons naman tayo. For me, yung pro is masarap siya. Masarap talaga siya. I really enjoyed drinking the smoothie drink, especially na hinaluan ko siya ng milk. Pero ito yung first collagen supplement na na-try ko, so I can't really say if mas okay yung walang lasa or mas okay yung may flavor, but since personally gusto ko naman yung melon flavor, so wala akong reklamo doon. Cons for me is, well, yun nga, nagkaroon ako ng diarrhea, well, side effect, alam nyo naman na to, is the price. However, I feel like it's considered talaga as one of the more affordable collagen supplements or collagen powder drinks out there in the market. So, kumusta naman yung first experience ko sa pag-intake ng collagen, specifically nitong Bello? I really enjoyed it, but I don't know if I will repurchase again just because it's expensive, and I feel like mag-hunt pa ako ng mga collagen supplements in the market just to see what really works for me. Pero so far, ang ganda ng na-experience ko with this. Wala naman masyadong side effects. Yun lang, yung second day na nagka-diarrhea ko, hindi ako nagka-pimples or whatsoever. Ito, wala. Wala yan, guys. Bago lang yan. So, rating ko for this is 9 out of 10 because I really liked it. I enjoyed drinking it. Sobrang sarap niya. And it gave me, in fairness, binigyan niya ako ng energy. Napansin ko lang na mas may drive akong mag-workout nung umiinom ako ng Bello Collagen Powder Drink. Pero ayun, I'm probably gonna hunt for other collagen supplements. I'm probably gonna do a review if ever man makahanap ako ng collagen supplement na I want to try. So, you guys will know as well. So, those are my thoughts on the Bello Collagen Powder Drink, melon smoothie flavor. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo about collagen and sana nakatulong to sa pagdesisyon nyo kung bibili man kayo nito or hindi. Yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Gumagawa ko ng mga reviews, mga beauty videos, may mga vlogs din, and I also have self-growth content. And again, always remember, don't let anyone dim your shine. Bye!